KOAM News Now, Joplin News First. I'm Shannon Becker. We're live on Highway 59. This is southbound lanes of 59 Highway, north side of Neosho, alongside the airport. Going to be extended power outages, obviously. Crews are out here. It's the Crowder College area. I haven't gone down there and counted how many poles necessarily, but quite a few. We've also noticed here in this area, here's some obvious, a lot of sheet metal. Northbound lanes are continuing with no problem, but these are the southbound lanes. There's a church just a short distance from here on AA Highway. I don't believe it has a congregation right now. There's no sign, but it sustained some extensive damage lifting the roof off. I haven't heard reports of any injuries. KOAM News Now, Joplin News First. I'm Shannon Becker. I haven't heard any reports of any injuries. We're here on Highway 59, so this is north side of Neosho. There's the airport there. The northbound lanes still open. People are continuing. This is the southbound lane. It's going to be closed for a long period of time. Also, further south of here, I saw electric crews out near AA Highway. Church had sustained a lot of damage near McElhaney. Right now, this is about the worst I've seen. Also, a single pole was down on AA Highway when you get a little bit closer to I-49. KOAM News Now, Joplin News First. So if you live in this area, you're going to expect some continued issues with power. Sorry, I don't want to move right here. 1 second. It has some continued issues with power outages, especially in this area. Also had reports of it. Someone sent me pictures. We shared it earlier on Facebook. Tractor trailer was blown over here. A sheet metal building was destroyed. This industrial area near the airport. We haven't made it over there yet, but people had sent us pictures. I did see the Newton County Sheriff's Office had released a statement saying avoid driving out and checking things out. Let the emergency crews and others do their work. Joplin Fire Department responded initially to assist here in Neosho. Neosho Fire Department pretty much had everything, I think, under control. No reports of any injuries. We've got other KOAM reporters here in this area in Neosho also taking a look, and we'll try and update you today at KOAM News at noon with more complete details and a complete report. Trailer park, I think they're kind of locked in. Power lines down right there from the entrance. You can send us Joplin News First messages on Facebook. Hopefully I'll be able to see them. But we will try. All right. Live, local, there's only one. KOAM News Now, Joplin News First. I'm Shannon Becker on Highway 59. North of Neosho. This is the southbound lanes. Northbound lanes are continuing, okay? Thanks for sharing our stories, okay?